Is your microphone not working in Microsoft Teams? Maybe nobody can hear you, your mic isn't detected, or you're getting a muted microphone warning. In this guide, I'll show you the most useful fixes, from checking the physical mic to Windows permissions, Teams settings, and audio drivers. So let's get started. First, check the microphone itself. If you're using a headset, make sure its physical mute button is turned off. For a USB microphone, unplug it and connect it again. If you're using Bluetooth, make sure the headset is charged and connected to your computer. Next, check whether you're muted in Teams. During a meeting, look at the microphone icon in the meeting controls. If there's a line through it, select the mic button to unmute. You can also use Ctrl-Shift-M as the keyboard shortcut. Now check your Windows microphone permissions. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on, along with access for apps and desktop apps. If these were already enabled, try switching them off and on again, then restart your computer. Back in Teams, open Settings and select Devices. Under Audio Settings, find the microphone dropdown and choose the correct microphone. If you have several audio devices connected, Teams may simply be using the wrong one. After selecting the microphone, make a test call when it's available. Teams will record a short sample and play it back so you can check whether your microphone is working. This is one of the quickest ways to identify an audio problem. If Teams still can't hear you, open Windows Settings and go to System, then Sound. Under Input, select your microphone and make sure it's enabled and unmuted. You can also run the Windows microphone test to check whether the computer is receiving your voice. If you're using Teams in a web browser, the browser also needs permission to access your microphone. Open the browser's site permissions for Teams and make sure microphone is set to allow. Then refresh the Teams page and test your mic again. If your microphone still isn't detected, check for Windows updates and make sure your audio drivers are working correctly. You can open Device Manager, find your audio device, and check for driver updates. If Windows doesn't detect the microphone at all, reinstalling the audio driver may help. Finally, try a different microphone or headset if you have one available. If the second microphone works, the original device may be the problem. If neither microphone works, the issue is more likely related to Windows, Teams, or your device settings. And that's how to fix a Microsoft Teams microphone that isn't working. Check the physical mic, unmute Teams, allow microphone permissions, select the right device, test it, and update your drivers if needed. So work through these steps one by one, and your Teams audio should be back to normal.